how to change your server in Game of Vampires. So what you're gonna have to do is go into your profile, which is found in the top left corner, your Lord info, I mean, and then just go into your settings. The settings is the one with the cog icon in the bottom right corner. Just go ahead and press on that, and you should be able to see the server in the bottom left options, not the back button, but the server. You'll be able to see your servers, which characters you have, and then of course servers from S1 to how many servers that's currently available. I'm on the latest server, which is my new account and a new device. So you could also choose which region as well, Europe, Asia, US, I suppose. But once you choose what region, choose which server of course. The red one means it's busy, usually means you can't join that, or it will be very hard to join that as well. The green one means it's available, of course, that means you can join that. And then the gray one means it has maintenance, and most of the time you won't be able to join that because maintenance, you know what maintenance means. But that's pretty much how you change servers in Game of Vampires. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.